In the last exercise, we created a code that determines if a candidate is suitable for a work position. And remember, we ask him for his degree, whether he has master, bachelor or PhD, and for his years of experience. And if he had more than 2 years of experience and education higher than master, then he was accepted for the interview. So this code here works, but I would like you to make it as a function so it can be easily used. And let me write you the requirements for that function. So the function has to take the degree and the experience of the candidate, and then the function has to return whether the candidate is suitable for the role. Okay, so stop this video for about 5 to 10 minutes because you will need to think how to do that. Then take this function that you created in the last section, I mean these lines of code, and make them into a function. Then test your function by passing parameters and checking the results. Now, in order to create this code, you simply need to understand how to create a function. It's actually quite easy, and it even simplifies the way that we created the code already. And you will see how it's done. First of all, I will mark all the code and I will press tab here in order to shift it to the left, to the right side. Then I write def for function, and the function will be called work. So the values we will pass to this function, as I told you, are going to be degree and experience, right? So since we are passing these values, actually we don't need these first two lines, right? We don't need to ask for this because we are going to pass it already. So I'll remove them. And now, if you prefer the simple way, okay, in this case, the most simple way will be to leave the function like this because we already wrote the print statements here, right? So I can just call this function with the certain values. Let's write work, and then the degree is going to be master, and the experience is going to be 5 years. So what we expect here is to see that we are accepted for the interview. Let's press OK, and you can see that you are accepted for the interview. So what actually happened is that we basically passed the master degree and the 5 years of experience to these values here, and then we called our if loop statements. Now, but imagine that you didn't have your code in front of you. Imagine that you wanted to create the function from scratch. Then this would definitely not be the most simple way because you are not giving an output from this function, and would like to give an output from this function. So I remove the print statements here, and instead I'll write return, and simply I'll remove the print statements, remove the brackets, and I'll return here. Okay, and then when you want to actually print what is going to be the answer, in the end you can write print, and then in the brackets what is returned from this function. So if I run the code now, so run as Python run, you can see that we are getting the same result, but now our function had actual output.